Hi guys, welcome back to TechnoWeb Hack, and in this video I will show you how to install and set up the Bwapp, that is buggy web app or buggy web application server in your Windows machine. Okay, so this is the application which is very similar to the DVWA, which is like a damn vulnerable web application, which I have shown you in the previous video how to use and how to install the damn vulnerable web application and yeah, test your hacking skill as work as on the server. So BW app, that is, yeah, buggy web app. So this is also similar application as a DVWA, but DVWA doesn't provide you the lot of option to test your skill, and in this app or in this server you will find a lot of option. So to try or to test your skills, so it will provide you more number of options to test your hacking skills, and I will show you what are there and how to install it in your Windows machine and how you will configure it. So you will visit the website SourceForge. I will provide you this link in the description. You go to this website and download it from here. As it is not working now because I have already set up the proxy, you can see here, that's why I don't want to go here. So, or if you want, yeah, we can check that. Yeah, go to setting and disable it, and okay, and yeah, so go to this website. Okay, from here you just click on the download option. Okay, so it will ask you the, okay, so no worries, it is a cross platform, so you can install it in any operating system. That's why it is not giving you any other option, and it gets downloading directly. So it's just a 14 MB of file. I have already done that download. So next I will disable the proxy setting and enable for the 127, that is localhost. So once you download, extract it as I have already extracted. Yeah, you can see here that is this folder is there, Bwapp. Go to Bwapp, go to admin folder. After this, go to setting. Yeah, under the setting you have to do one change, and that is the password. So scroll down, you will see here password. So here you will find the password written as a bug. You just have to remove this password, save the file, okay, come back, close it, yeah, and copy this Bwapp folder into your C drive where you have installed your XAMPP tool. So XAMPP tool installation and configuration I already shown you in the previous video. This is the tool or which will help you start your Apache server and MySQL server. So XAMPP tool installation link also I will provide you in this description, in this video description, and you just have to download and install this tool, same as how you install any other software. So just have to install this application, and yeah, once you install it, as I have installed it under the C drive directly, I will go to XAMPP folder. Yeah, go to htdocs where we have copied our DVWA server. The same way we are now copying our new server, that is Bwapp. So yeah, we copied this, but before this we will just rename it as a Bwapp. Okay, done. After this, just do your proxy setting as we done already here, and now to install this we will go to 127.0.0.1. so we will find this list where we have our DVWA and Bwapp server. Yeah, before this, make sure that you start your Apache and MySQL server from the XAMPP tool. Okay, then to install this Bwapp application, you just have to go Bwapp, okay, and install.php. so here you will see, click here to install, click here, and it says like a database already exists. So for first time when you will be installing, it says database, yeah, the Bwapp is successfully installed. After this, just go to, yeah, login.php, and you will find this login form. So enter your credential B and bug. So just have to type B as a username and bug as a password, and keep the security level low so that it will help you test your skill. And yeah, we open the portal for Bwapp. You can see there are a lot of options we can see. Yeah, HTML injection, SQL injection, stored, blind, SQL injection, broken authentication, captcha, forgotten functions, logout management, yeah, password attack, weak password, administrative portal, cookies, yeah, session management. So a lot of option you can see guys here. Cross-site scripting, which all these option we seen it was not available in our DVWA, but we have it here. Like, let's see if we can open the DVWA as well. So DVWA, yes, we can open this and admin and log into this. So yeah, we can, you can see I can show you both the server, that is, yeah, which this server you can see doesn't have this many options. It only have this options: XSS, stored, reflected, and that's all. Like SQL injection blind, and brute force. But here you can do lot of things in this server. Yeah, scroll down and we can see this many options is provide. So let's try out all these things, as I have shown you in previous video how to use the Bwapp suite with this spider, scanner, intruder, and intruder options or tabs, and how to use your XSS vulnerability test, and how to, yeah, how to check that, how to test the SQL injection, brute force. Already covered all this part in the previous video. So in the next video I will show you using our new server how to use the repeater and sequencer command or tabs. Okay, so this is all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will meet you in the next video. So bye bye.